let's talk a little bit about the Colorado Jam Incubator and sort of how this is going to go down in Buffacorn Ventures. I think this might be helpful. So these are not private. These are actually community-owned subsidiaries of the LCA. So the cooperative DAO actually will own these entities. So all the investments that come out of them will be owned essentially by the community. So we've created a very specific structure so that the community is the benefactor of everything from a value creation that comes back. And the way that patronage works inside of a limited cooperative association is the patronage is a unit of account. So if you think about how you go buy skis at REI or something like that, they're going to issue you patronage for buying those skis. At the end of the year, you'll get a dividend or some sort of profit sharing from the cooperative for doing that. And if you buy one pair of skis versus 100 pair of skis, it's really all based on your consumption or your, in their world, their contribution of sales. In our world, it's really about the contribution of value. And we see value as your creativity and or economics, right? So how do you support the event like a sponsor? We see those as almost kind of investors. Although they're buying and purchasing services and they're getting access to the community and they get their booths and their branding and all that, they're actually investing in the emergence of this community. And then those that are actually applying their creativity to building things, whether you're an artist or you're a developer or you're a designer or you're a lawyer or you're whatever you are, you're expressing your unique creativity into our ecosystem. That's valuable to us and to the community. So that's why we're doing it where every stakeholder in the ecosystem is being allocated sporks for our version of stakeholder capitalism. It's sort of this particular model is actually one that I find very attractive and appealing because of the different components that are very favorable to using a Colorado Limited Cooperative Association and amongst other things. But yeah, if you have any questions about the specifics, feel free to reach out to me as well, john@ethember.com. I'm happy to, have conversations about these after, of course, today. I'm not interested today probably because I'm actually starting my beverages of choice this afternoon. So after a long, long week, it's actually about time that we get going.